Hey guys, it's me, 4K Kid. This is Star Wars Revenge of the Sith unboxing. Before we get to anything and any weird and important news, I want you to hit that subscribe button because we're on the go to 130 subscribers. And I know I said 50, but I changed it a little bit. I made it 30 so you can have a good time. But you could still help us get 10, 20, 30, 40, stuff like that. But yeah, anyways, and share the video with your friends too. And it could be any one of my videos. But anyway, we are going to be unboxing Star Wars Revenge of the Sith. And I know what you're thinking. It's already unboxed, because you could just do this. Well, that's the thing. I made a video of this, but then I forgot to save it to my photos on accident. And I made Sonic Movie 2 TV spots. So, that was kind of my fault. I'm kind of dumb. I should have done that. I should have forgot that, but oh well. But here's the front of the cover. Spine. Other spine, same thing. And the back. Now I will read this whole thing for you so you don't have to pause and read. Discover the true power of the dark side. Clone Wars rage across the galaxy. The sinister Sith Lord. Control of the Republic and incorporates Anakin Skywalker to his dark apprentice Darth Vader. Obi-Wan Kenobi must confront his fallen friend in the epic lightsaber duel, presented in the thrilling 4K Ultra HD. Ooh, ooh. And here's the 4K side. Pause and read. And same thing with Blu-ray. And Blu-ray bonus. And by the way, this movie is rated PG-13. And this movie is not available in theaters anymore. Should have went in 2005. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you. Alright, now take this off. Front spine. Spine, front, back. Same thing I just read. And I took out the code, so that's why it's over. But here we got the Blu-ray. Wait a minute. Oh no, that's not right. Now the 4K can be cleaner. But that is all for today's video. Like if you subscribe the video, stay tuned for my other 100 subscriber celebration videos that are coming soon. I don't know an exact release date, but some of them could come today. No, it's not July. March 21st, I believe today is. But yeah, thank you for watching and peace out.